Hi guys, this is Martin from Nokiamob and I'm holding here Nokia 8 Sirocco. So, what it's all about this phone? So we got here a new design applied to Nokia 8 platform. So it's not a top model, don't mistake it with a top model. It's Nokia 8 with a beautiful design. It's a premium device and trust me guys, it's not slippery at all. Our agents were a bit mistaken at the Mobile World Congress because to hold this device, it's rather good. The edges are thin, but are flat. A bit, you can sense the sharpness on the edges, and that's good because it gives you the idea where you are holding the phone. Side buttons could be maybe more pronounced because it is a bit harder to find them, but you can sense them. They're there, they're easy. So the display is edged. We saw this in Samsung phones, but they look so gorgeous. What I don't like is you're gonna see it on the white background, the discoloration. Maybe that could be a problem for someone, but trust me, this device is beautiful. What to say here is that the screen, you can see the glance screen, which is now new, but the screen is, you have double tap, so when you keep your phone flat on the surface, you can easily unlock it, and the screen is really sensitive to the lowest touch. I can control it with my nail, so it has sensitive, super sensitive screen, which is something that wasn't advertised, but you can see here, it's obviously working. So, really good device. Well, let's compare it with Nokia 6 from the last year. You see how huge this one is. It's sturdy, but this is so elegant with 5.5-inch phone. So there at the back we have dual size camera, and the camera quality is great. It's just great. The lighting conditions here are not so good, but it can take rather great photos. And the optical zoom is working perfectly also. What else to say? OLED display is so bright, it gives you nice color representation, and trust me, the quality of the phone is perfect. If you need something that looks nice, sturdy in hand, and it feels nice in hand, trust me, you won't regret it. Nokia 8 Sirocco is really a high-end device. Not a top model, but it certainly can be your top model. So this is Martin from Nokiamob, and see you later, guys.